Hello and welcome to another joyful tune-in. And today we'd like to share with you and to talk a bit about transitions. So joyful transitions are like eclipses, full moon, and certain spiritual gatherings that are a time of great change from the old to the new. They act as harbingers and transformations. It is not easy moving locations, changing relationships, shifting careers, caregiving, parenting, the indigos and star seeds. Holding the space for the passing of family members, friends, colleagues, and spouses. Now is the time of this great shift in consciousness and knowledge. We trust in the process, indeed. We know we are supported on our journey back home. We have gained much wisdom on our inward journey back to source. So let's take a moment now and feel this in your body without effort, without trying, without doing, and just be. Breathe, feel, and be. Back into the light of knowing, into realization, and be you. So when you come into this now moment of beingness, you are you. You are that infinitely expanded consciousness of beingness, of you, the monad, the I am, the oversoul. And remember that the earth and all the guides, the angelics, star beings that are part of your life path are always here to support you in these transitions, be it certain spiritual events upon the planet, eclipses, full moons, events like Lionsgate and 1111 Stargate or Portal, the solstices, the equinoxes, Wesak Festival, all of that. They are moments in timelessness where, as you tune in, you will begin to know how to transition into your next step. And it takes great courage and fortitude and commitment and focus to be in harmony with all of your little and big transitions that you are experiencing in life. So the main key here is to trust in your divine guidance as to how to make your next move, especially this year, physically, physical relocation, career changes, relationship changes, business upgrades. And you don't have to know the how of making these changes. Simply trust. Pay attention to your guidance, your intuition, your inner knowing. Trust it, follow it, do practical and common sense things to manifest more abundance, more financial stability, quality relationships. And pay attention to those promptings from the soul. Trust it. And as you trust, you will be supported. So let's take a deep breath and really breathe in and merge with that, what you would call trust and support. And know that you are divinely blessed each and every day. So thank you for tuning in today. And for more information on events and offerings, please go to our website, kenjikumara.com, and especially check out our new membership program and our higher consciousness program, as well as our Sedona offerings. Much change is in the air for this year. So please be a part of this great change without effort, with joy and love, faith, and trust. So thank you for tuning in. And until next time, many blessings.